Buonasera! Summer is coming and we have got beautiful vegetables. So we have got some eggplant, some zucchini, bell pepper, onion, celery. Here we have the vinegar, olive oil, capers, olives. So we are ready to go and prepare some caponata as it's a fantastic dish to start our summer. So we are ready. Here we go. Let's go. The Sicilian caponata recipe is one of the most popular Italian appetizers and so rich in history. Tasting this recipe means discovering the real soul of the island and all the Greek, Arab, Spanish, French influences into the Sicilian cuisine. Caponata is a Sicilian eggplant dish consisting of cooked vegetable, specially made from chopped, traditionally fried eggplant and celery, seasoned with sweetened vinegar with capers and a sweet and sour sauce. Numerous local variation of the ingredients exist, with some version adding olives, carrot and green bell pepper, and other adding potatoes, spinach and raisins. In Sicily, the official caponata variation are 35, and even more in the family recipe. Here, the history of Sicilian caponata. The origin of the name of caponata is still unclear today. Some people derive it from the Greek capto, cut, you have seen at the beginning, the sound of the knife. All the ingredients are cut into small pieces. According to others, the starting word in the Latin caupona, osteria, the place where the ancient sailors ate simple and genuine meals. A lot of bread, with oil, onion and anchovies. However, many are inclined to a third explanation. The capon is a fish from the Mediterranean Sea that was often served in sweet and sour. It was quite expensive, and less wealthy classes soon replaced it with aubergine. We don't fry the vegetables. As you see, we cut all the vegetables, we put in a big pan, and then we add oil, white wine, vinegar, water, salt, pepper and sugar, and we mix with the vegetables and we put in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. The caponata is typically used as a side dish for fish dishes and sometimes as an appetizer. But since the 18th century, it was also being used as a main course. So we put all the ingredients together, we put in the oven, as I told you, 30 minutes, 180 degrees. When we take out, we add 60 grams of capers, 200 grams of olive oil, 1 liter of tomato sauce, and we put again back in the oven, 20-25 minutes depending on your oven, and make sure that the vegetables are cooked. It is usually served warm, but you can also serve cold in summer. Is a fantastic dish using the fresh vegetables. Here we are. I hope you will enjoy. Take care. Bye.